They just released their amazing landmark software product, and it's already got problems. Maybe they could do a little bit of testing or a little bit of additional security testing before they release this to the public, and they're like, oh crap, we gotta fix this stuff before we have it even worse. Ooh, Apple just admitted they have broken your phone, and you better real quick, right quick, download a software update to unbreak what they done broke for you. So let's jump right into it real quick. Apple releases urgent iOS update due to security exploits. Apple discovered security gaps in their WebKit, the company's web browsing engine. The tech giant has released another update for iOS just weeks after dropping the landmark iOS 17.1. I am not an Apple fanboy per se. I have Apple products, but when someone comes through and they're like, it's a landmark software update, it's a jaw-dropping, amazing new update, I'm like, listen, I could get my iPhone 13, which at this point is an old phone, and take it to an iPhone 4, and like the differences between the two are about this much. Right. And I'm sure the iPhone 15, 16, 18 and a half plus triple upside down cheesecake is going to be exactly the same as well. So Apple, in my opinion, is not this tech innovative giant and doesn't release landmark software updates. Give me a break here. iOS 17.1 was made public on November 30th and aims to patch two possible security exploits in 17.1.1. Wow. So like I say, they just released their amazing landmark software product, and it's already got problems. Maybe they could do a little bit of testing or a little bit of additional security testing before they release this to the public, and they're like, oh crap, we got to fix their stuff before we have it even worse. The company is urging customers to download the update as soon as possible. Apple is expected to release 17.2 later this month, but the security issues proved way too pressing. So they rushed out 17, they rushed out 17.1. Now we've got issues. Now they're going to rush out 17.2. Is this even going to work out in the future? Or maybe they're just going to have a buttload of bricked phones here in the next few weeks. I don't know. But I do know one thing. My name is Christopher Yule. We cover the biggest headlines of the day and what the AI trading data has to say about it. And if you're interested in that too, be sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below and start trading with AI today. Head to ovtlyr.com to see why outliers win, right? There are no new features included in this update. We just want to make sure that nobody hacks your phones, because we basically let people in and we need to make sure to kick them back out. So let's take a look at what the AI trading data has to say about Apple. Oh, we just got a sell signal November 30th. Maybe the AI trading data was able to pick this up a little bit ahead of time to let people know maybe it's time to take your profits. And if you'd been following these signal returns, you could have seen an outstanding 352.23% return. So if you want to get your hands on these outstanding AI trading signals, head to ovtlyr.com to see why outliers win. Let's go take a look and see what the internet is saying about this, right? If Apple made cars, I gotta let that load again. Here we go. If Apple made cars, it could only drive on special roads. We need authorization for each passenger. The engine wouldn't be accessible. It wouldn't have windows. It would require special fuel. It would cost 69% more than other cars. And the main appeal would be conformity. Only celebrities would endorse it, right? Why is software being released before it's proven out? This happens all the time. Common sense, people. Can't these highly educated people do anything right? I think they think they know it all. It's also hired out to other countries with no checks and balances. I don't know about that, but let's take a look at another comment here. Can't wait till Elon drops the Tesla cell phone on the market. But let me know, what is YouTube showing you right here? It's going to be showing you two videos, and it thinks that these are going to be the best videos that you have seen all day long. So be sure to click one of those to watch more, and I'll see you on the next episode. Talk soon.